In this video, I will show you how to send video notes in WhatsApp. Let me show you how. Open up your WhatsApp app. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and simply select a particular contact that you want to send a video note. I'm using this contact as an example. Next thing you want to do right here is simply click on the camera icon right here to open the camera. Then having opened the camera right here, you can switch from front camera or back camera. Everything depends on you. And for you to switch your camera, simply click on here to switch the camera. Just like so, you can see my face right here. And then one more thing here is that you can add a little light effect. So for that, go ahead and click on this icon. This allow lighting. Just like so. Now for you to start recording video note, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on video note right here. It automatically take you to video note. Then position your head in the circle right here. So next thing you want to do is to start recording your video. And for that, simply click on this icon right here. So I'm going to click on it right away. Pause the video, then here you go. You have your video being successfully recorded right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to send the video to the contact. And you are done. It's that simple. And you are done. It's that simple. Just like what you see right here. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.